Hi kids! We are now at the park. Always here. The good mountain is always behind our park to make sports and making exercise. Ah, Papa is over there. Making exercise too. And I always making sports to maintain my strong body and to feel good and look good and stay healthy and strong.